Hi everyone, Wendy here, and I'd like to share with you some exciting news from my garden. Because this year, for the first time, I've discovered woundwort shieldbugs. Now, I actually found them back in late May in this little wild patch that's full of the plant hedge woundwort. And the reason I spotted them was because I was actually watching the bees feeding on the beautiful flowers. Now, you'll see that most of the flowers have gone over, but that's not a problem for our little shieldbugs, because the nymphs that are around now are actually feeding on the fruits of the hedge woundwort. This is a nymph's bottom, but at the other end the nymph has a mouth part that's called a rostrum, and it's rather straw-like. It pierces the fruit of the hedge woundwort and it sucks all the loveliness out of it, and that's how all our bugs eat. One of the best things about having woundwort shieldbugs in the garden is that I've been able to watch them develop. In May and June they were all adults. In July I barely saw any, but that was okay because they were all getting ready to emerge as the next generation, and over the last week or so I've had more than 50 nymphs. Rather than developing as some insects do through egg, larva, pupa and adult, shieldbugs develop through different stages known as instars. Rather than just keep growing bigger and bigger, when an instar is ready to move to the next stage and become bigger, it finds somewhere safe, its exoskeleton splits apart and it emerges as a slightly larger creature, until eventually they become adults. So there we have it. I hope you've discovered a little bit more about these beautiful bugs and perhaps been inspired to leave a small wild patch in your garden for some hedge woundwort to grow next year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.